Are you replacing or decommissioning IT hardware? Have you thought about selling or recycling it? Do you want your old hard drives wiped or shredded? The ITAD ECO Plus solution is an environmentally focused service that can help. We support IT executives with the decommissioning and disposal of office and data center IT hardware. It's our mission to create a world where retired IT hardware is reused and recycled. If you choose to sell your decommissioned computer equipment, we will buy items like servers, laptops, desktops, pads and smartphones. These IT assets will then be refurbished for reuse or harvested for parts. If you choose to recycle, we will ensure your computer equipment is disposed of in a way that results in resource preservation, and of course, the well-being of the environment, and the health and safety of workers and communities. Whatever you choose, the ITAD ECO Plus solution provides a legal, ethical and environmentally responsible service. This includes either the wiping or shredding of hard drives and data storage devices, to the point where the information once sorted is permanently obliterated and therein, totally unrecoverable. And the recycling and disposal of computer equipment in full compliance with the EPA and our 2v3 standards. To learn more about the ITAD ECO Plus solution, please email support@itad-company.com or call 877-592-6009. Thank you for watching, and please remember to email us today for our latest brochure.